Welcome back to another full set entertainment video. Today we're pulling the motor out of this CR frame because I got in contact with a powder coat company and the bedline idea was shit. It didn't work. But we're gonna get this powder coated, so I'm dropping it off tomorrow morning. So that means I got to get it taken apart tonight, and I'm also getting the hubs powder coated. So we're gonna take the angle grinder to those spokes because I'm not gonna reuse them. So we're gonna try to make this as quick as possible because it is cold out here tonight. So I guess let's just tear into it. Breaking free.
You know, there is a thing called a breaker bar.
You know, I own one of those too.
You do. Yep.
There we go. I'm excited for this to get done, dude.
It's gonna be pretty nice.
I know. You wanna... Oh, that's not quick.
Better hope so. I'm hungry already.
Me too, dude. Get that pulled out by chance?
Working on it.
Wouldn't be there, my guy.
So much grease, bro.
I know. Lot of grease.
You might need something to push that out, Krusty.
I hate you. You're right.
Yeah, you do. Krusty.
Knew that was coming. How do I get this in here? You know what I need to buy?
Punches.
No, I don't need to. Ready for this junk, dude?
Do you actually have the proper tools for the job?
For once in my life, I do. I found some punches. Yeah,
Small ones.
as long as they work, dude.
You gotta hurry, this battery's dropping.
Is it really?
Oh yeah. Already down to 2 bars, yep.
Yeah, bro. Something.
Use your ratchet. That's what they're meant for.
Well, shit. Yes. Nah. I might be using weird shit. Not yet. It's freaking cold out here, dude.
You don't say.
Oh, I do say, bud. I do say. I think it's Iron Horse. I think that's a company that makes the what is it? Or they have like weep holes, like seeping holes, weep holes drilled through here.
Yeah.
So the grease like gets all the way through there. That'd be cool to pick up eventually.
Cruising, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Watch that stage wire.
Got the frame?
Kinda.
Okay, like let go of that cord. I got the frame. Got it?
Yep. Back to square one.
Yep. So after all that work of tearing this apart, then sanding a little bit of what we sanded, and then spending the time painting, drying, whatnot, it was all waste because it just chips right off.
Yeah, it's almost like part 2 through 6. Just
Was
waste
just
of time.
waste of time. But I'm excited.
No, 3 through 6. Because we were still taking it apart.
Yeah, true. Yeah, 3 through 6 pretty much was a waste of time. But I'm excited to get this thing powder coated. I got a vision for it. I think it's gonna be pretty sweet. And the turnaround time to get this back from powder coat is 3 to 5 days. So I'm excited. I'm getting antsy already. It's not even at the powder coat place, but I want it back and powder coated already.
Alright, what are we doing, Krusty?
So we got the block out of the frame, got everything detached, and now we're taking off the rotor so we can cut these spokes out. These crusty spokes.
Crust.
Dude, this whole wheel is crusty.
Yeah, that's what we were saying off camera, how crusty this wheel was, and Brendan was gonna put this back on the bike after it's all done.
You know, I guess I didn't realize.
Yes, wheels.
I didn't-
Crusty.
I didn't realize how crusty these wheels were, honestly. But now that I see what they are, it'd be like a disgrace.
The only thing not crusty about these wheels is that tire.
True.
I'm still not a super big fan of the tire paint.
Yellow.
Just the tire paint in general. I mean, it looks good for pictures. But after like one ride, it looks like this. It looks better on camera than it does in person. In person, it looks like shit.
Like your bike.
Bro. I don't even know what you're talking about. bro.
Gotcha.
Hell no, you don't.
Whatever.
Bro, your bike's a crusty.
Dude.
This
I
is
know.
the bike you got.
Bullshit, buddy. I got 2 bikes.
No.
Uh-huh.
No.
Uh-huh.
Where's it at?
Your place.
Yeah, because it's my bike.
Nope.
Yeah, Yeah, bro, I bought that.
No way. Ah!
I was about to say you're doing good work, Brendan, but then you pulled that shit.
I'm sorry, dude. I'm trying to get this done quick.
Well, now it's taking longer.
You know what? I don't see you helping around here.
Bro,
What have you done? You've held the frame. That's all you've done. You held the frame single-handedly. And you know what? It still almost fell over. So I don't want to hear nothing out of you, dude.
Bro, who's filming for you, bro? Otherwise, you'd be trying to film and hold it with one hand.
It's not that hard. I have a tripod.
Yeah, but you don't use it, bro.
I used it all last video.
Yeah. You still took you like 6 hours to put these lights up.
Shh, they don't know that.
It should have been like 15 minutes.
Let's see. Oh, there we go.
You just got exposed, bro.
Yeah, why are you exposing like that?
I'm sorry, I didn't even mean it. No, you just make it too easy sometimes.
You know what? I do.
Sorry, Preston.
Oh, dude, I got the C-Boys hoodie all dirty. Damn, bro. But I have to wash it for.
Are you about to disrespect the C-Boys like that?
No, I didn't mean to. My apologies. There we go. Nailed it. Okay, so it's a couple days later now. We ran into some issues. I need to go pick up a bearing retainer tool, bearing retainer removal tool, because I do not have one here and we cannot get the bearings out of the rear hub without them. We did get the bearings out of this front hub and it's looking pretty nice. I have to clean it up some more. And we also got the bearings out of the swing arm. And it's looking nice. I'm getting antsy. I really want this stuff to go off to powder coat, but I have to wait a couple more days for Amazon to deliver the tool. So once we get the tool in, I'll be able to get the wheel bearings out of that rear hub, and this will be off to powder coat. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment, talk to us. We like to hear feedback. Please tell us what you guys like about these videos, what you guys do not like, if that is the case. Let us know, give us your opinion, and also make sure you stay tuned on our Instagram. We post there very frequently, so at Full Send Entertainment on the good old Instagram. Make sure you guys follow that as well.